Hello students, this is Sarika Sagar from High Score English, which is vouching for mastering English to master success. Okay, I have already done a lot of idioms with you in the past. I have done 50 mixed bag. Okay, then I have done some idioms related to color red. Then I did with color blue, and now I am heading for color green. Let us start with idioms and phrases. What do they mean? What does it imply with color green? Okay, so set the ball rolling. To set the ball rolling, I am starting with part 5, which is color green. Okay, and the first one we say is he has got green fingers when it comes to gardening. Okay, now here gardening is, you know, growing plants, flowers, vegetables, okay, fruits. So here it is growing plants. Gardening means growing plants, that includes not only growing, maintaining, pruning and all these things. Okay, so some people are good at it. They have, you know, that they have this, you know, they're gifted that whatever they plant, it blooms, it grows. I don't have that. I'm not gifted. My plants generally do not survive. Okay, my mother's plants, they survive like anything. Without even giving a second thought, she puts the plant in the pot and it blooms after some days. I do a lot of effort, you know, I'm planting, I'm putting fertilizers, I'm putting medicines and everything, and nothing comes out. After a few days, it's gone. Okay, so I don't have a green finger. I'm not gifted with that quality of planting flowers, fruits or anything, vegetables. Okay, so those who are gifted with gardening skills, okay, they have called, it's said that they've got green fingers. It's also called green thumb also. Sometimes it is called green thumb and sometimes it is called green fingers, means they are gifted with the quality of doing wonderful gardening, gifted with gardening skills. Okay, they are gifted with gardening skills. They grow good plants and they survive also. So do they have the talent? Are they good at it? Are they good at gardening or they are bad at gardening? They are wonderful at gardening. Not only good, they are wonderful at gardening. Okay, their plants grow and bloom like anything. So do they have a talent? Of course. Are they good at it? Yeah. Are they allergic to it? No. Are they scared of it? Absolutely not. And your answer is good at gardening. Those who are good at gardening, oh, she's got a green thumb. Whatever she plants, it blooms. Oh, she's got green fingers. Whatever she plants, it blooms. So that is what is green fingers. Now the next one that we are doing here is the new recruit is a bit green. Obviously, what does green symbolize? There are 2-3 meanings for green here. Green, anything that is fresh. Anything that is fresh is inexperienced. Anything that is fresh is a novice. Okay, there is no experience. So here this is called, whenever we are talking about recruits, obviously we are talking about professional experience. A person who is a recruit, a fresh recruit, does that person have an experience? No, so he is a bit green, a little inexperienced. Okay, so bit means little, not much, but little inexperience, does not hold experience. Okay, but shows promise. Promise means has the potential to learn. A very promising candidate, though a little green. This you can say. We can, you know, we can change the sentence also a little with a wonderful color that I'll pick up. Okay, you can say a very promising candidate. We must consider this candidate for the job. A very promising candidate, though a little green. What does it mean? the person does not have an experience but is capable to learn and grow and be an asset for the company. So here we are talking about somebody who is inexperienced. Okay, now let us move to the next one with a different color. Pink does not go well. Okay, now here the company is going green to reduce the carbon footprints. Okay, now here it is going green. Here we are talking for environment. When you are talking about improving the environment or doing something which is environmental friendly, these days companies are very aware. Whatever plannings they are doing, whatever policies they are doing, they are keeping in mind the environment, the protection of the environment. All their projects, all their tasks, all their constructions are environmental friendly. Okay, so the company is going green to reduce its carbon footprints. Means the company is making some planning which is environmental friendly or in the favor of environment. So here there is nothing to do with these things. Okay, let us move to the next one. She was green with envy. Obviously envy word आ गया है यहाँ पे. Okay, envy word आ गया है तो envy तो अपने आप क्या होता है? Jealous. Okay, green क्या हो गया है? She was full of jealousy. Green is a symbol. You know green के कितने symbols हैं? Green fresh को भी बोलते हैं. Green ecology के लिए भी बोला जाता है. And green जब आप feeling के लिए भी है एक. कौन सी feeling? Feeling of envy, jealous. उसको भी ग्रीन बोला जाता है. जब आप एक्सट्रीमली जेलस हो जाते हो, बहुत जेलस फील कर रहे हो, उसकी साड़ी मेरी साड़ी से सफेद कैसे. ओके, सो देन उसके बाद उसमें जेलसी आ जाती है. सो हैप्पी हो ही नहीं सकता जो जेलस होता है. जेलस तो जेलस होता है. जेलस आदमी कभी गुस्सा नहीं होता, वो एक अलग ही फीलिंग है. दिस इज अ फीलिंग. ओके, व्हेन यू आर फीलिंग जेलस ऑफ someone. She was green with envy when she saw her friend's new car. Quite natural. Okay, green light has been given. Again, as I told you, green has got multiple meanings. Again, I will write these 4 for you so that you remember. One more has been added. First green is fresh and inexperienced. Okay, second green is plants. Third green is environment. Fourth green is jealousy. And the fifth green, the last one that we are doing right now, is permission. You know, permission होती है ना, जब अपन ट्रैफिक लाइट्स पे खड़े होते हैं, ग्रीन सिग्नल क्या होता है? Go, red, stop, yellow, get ready. Okay, so here it is, when you give a green signal to someone, जैसे हम तो बोलते हैं green flag also. Green light, green signal, green flag means permission. You can write green light also. You can write green flag also. Means when you're giving somebody the permission, get set go. जब आप किसी को get set go कर रहे हो किसी चीज के लिए, then it is obviously the green color. So green light has been given to start the project. Obviously the permission has been given. Rejection, delay, cancellation are the opposites. Okay, so this is what we did. As I told you, the green has got how many different implications. You should remember these and accordingly you should do it. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Very soon we'll be coming with color white.